Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, Janjua here, and I have brought for you today the wonderful series of idiomatic expressions related to your IELTS speaking, as I have already made the videos and hopefully you have utilized and practiced the expressions which I shared with you in my last videos. So let's take a start for the new one. And today, whenever you have to express your ordinary things or that the thing which are nothing special, so you can utilize these expressions. And the first one is run of the mill. I went to the restaurant last night. It was run of the mill. It means that was not special, that was an ordinary one. I visited the place last weekend. It was run of the mill. Run of the mill mean that it was not as much special that it should be. So the next one is it's not a patch on. The similar expressions related to run of the mill is, for example, when expressing ordinary and things which are nothing special, and it's not a patch on. It means this film is not a patch on book. For example, this film is not a patch. Book is more important than the film. This film is not a patch on book. The similar expression that you can utilize whenever you have to express the thing which are ordinary, nothing special. It's not hold a candle to. It's not hold a candle to means that it's not as good as. You can say that Manchester is a good city, but it can't hold a candle to London. Shakespeare is a wonderful artist, but it's can't hold a candle to Marlowe. So you can utilize all these expressions whenever you have to utilize the similar situations in related to IELTS speaking modules. Utilize these expressions in your speaking practice and keep on practicing the things. Hopefully you will utilize and take a great care of yourself. I'll bring for you the more informative video in my upcoming lectures, and I will bring you to the height of communication skills. Take a great care of yourself. All the best.